Welcome to my 5-minute yoga a day. Today we're going to be focusing on a yoga flow for the lower back. So just coming into a comfortable seated position. Inhale and just twist round, placing the right hand on the left knee. Breathe deeply. Have the left hand just behind the hip. Repeat on the other side. And here we're just waking up the lower spine. Take your knees now and drop them the other way and repeat this process, this twist. Making sure as you inhale, really lengthening up through the spine and rooting down with the sit bones and opening up the chest. Take your right leg and extend it out and just place that left leg underneath you. And inhale and just stretch forward, extending from the spine. Doesn't matter if you can't go all the way down to the knee, it's more important to have that nice length in the spine and relax the neck down. Inhale, float the arms back. Exhale, extend the legs out. And come into Dandasana, our staff pose. Just grow tall here. And then take the right leg now and just bend it at the knee, slide it under the left knee. Extend that left leg and inhale and exhale forward into our half forward fold. Breathing deeply here. Exhale the arms back. Just cross the knees over each other now into our half cow face pose. And slide the hands forward and just relax the neck down, and this really stretches out our spine and allows space for the discs and all that synovial fluid to hydrate the discs in our lower back. Inhale and repeat, crossing over the other way. Breathing deeply. Relax the neck down. Inhale, exhale up, and just take your legs out wide and just push that pelvis up and just stretch out here and lower gently back down. Inhale and very gently exhale down into a lying down position, and take the right leg and cross it over the left, and then just grab onto both ankles and draw both knees towards your chest. And inhale and exhale here, and just maybe have a bit of movement rocking from side to side. Stretch the legs up, take your hands behind the knee. And then repeat this on the other side. Now taking over the left leg and crossing the legs, holding onto the ankles or toes, and breathing deeply here and feeling that nice stretch running down the lower back. Take the hands out now horizontally or into our cactus pose, and just drop the knees down to the right hand side. And breathe deeply. Draw the knees to the chest and repeat this on the other side. So we're coming into our supine twist here. Again, great for the spine. Relax the shoulders down. Start to circle the knees nice and gently, just rotating the spine. Bring the knees up again and very gently rock back to sitting, crossing the legs. Draw up the spine, inhale, open the chest, and take a nice deep inhale and exhale. And I hope you really enjoyed this video today. If you have, don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.